I get the joy, 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 joy. There is my heart. Where? There is my heart. Where? There is my heart. I get the joy, 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 joy. There is. Run away from me! Hush! 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 Hush!
Hello, today's Monday, I think the 15th of September, and I'm just out here with Reagan on a little science class. So we were just looking at some butterflies and some flowers. Okay, where did the butterfly go?
Where butterfly go?
Okay, you see any butterfly? You gotta be quiet so you don't chase them
Now
away.
I see water.
Yeah, there's water because it's swampy. You see the dragonfly?
See
Dragonfly. See dragonfly. Dragonfly.
Butterfly. Now where butterfly go?
Oh, there's a yellow butterfly.
Yellow butterfly.
You have to be quiet so you don't chase them away. Oh, okay, let's see.
No, where yellow butterfly?
Oh, there it is. There it is. Reagan, there it is. Ooh, all of the butterflies.
Now I see bird.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, there's a bird.
A bird.
Ah.
Yeah, a bird.
Yeah, I see the bird too.
Nana, I see a bird.
Yes. Oh, there's the yellow butterfly.
Yellow butterfly. Oh, Nana, I want to go to my bird.
See the dragonfly? See dragonfly?
Oh no, a car.
Yeah, so stay on the side. See? So you stay on the side of the road, okay? When you see cars.
See a car?
Yeah, the cars are passing. Yeah, so when cars are passing, you stay on the side of the road, right? So it's a beautiful day.
I'm
So
so happy. So lucky. I got the night sweet. Say my heart. I'm so happy. So many happy. Love that she's in my heart.
come on the side. On the side of the road. Hey, 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 Reagan, on the side. Come on the side. You have to stay on the side of the road, honey. Stay on the side.
See on the side?
Yes, you have to stay on the side. Okay, we're heading back home now. What do you have to say to the people?
I see a butterfly.
Yes, you sure did.
Look at my hair. Nana. Nana.
Okay, that's with her handheld microscope, but she don't know how to use it yet. Oh, pick up your hat. Pick up your hat. We're back home now. She dropped her hat. Okay, that was a little short, but very enjoyable. Guys, I made up a schedule for Reagan today, and you wouldn't believe I completed that within about half an hour. So I had to make up. So I had to find some other things. We had some rain, and on the 5th of September, I collected some baby tadpoles. And look at them now. They were just tadpoles, just tail. But now,
I see a tadpole.
yeah, but now look at them.
Look, see it, baby.
They has legs now. They have 4 legs.
Wow.
So we're gonna put it outside soon because we can't have no frogs.
Soon?
Yeah, we're gonna put it outside so they can finish growing.
I see tadpoles.
Yeah.
So big.
Yeah. So big. They grow so big.
Tadpoles so big.
Okay, I accomplished so much. I got a Train Your Dragon books. I think I got 7 so far. And hey, I'm very, very impressed. So there are some more I'm gonna get. The ones that I bought for her that she really needs. The ones on focus, the ones on following rules, following direction, the ADHD. There is one on stranger danger that I'm holding now. Did I say focus? Yeah, focus. And like I said, it's about 7 of them. That is what I'm doing. Hi, Reagan.
I went to one of them.
A little trick.
Can I have some split pea, please?
Okay.
When you begin,
Which one is the split pea?
have a timer.
Yes, that's correct. Can I have some black beans, please?
Until the time runs out.
Thank you. Can I have some lentils, please?
Do you reset?
Lentils over here.
Like fun.
Where's the lentils?
Try that game today.
Okay, and that's the soup mix.
Every time you play, set the time a little longer. Bit by bit, you find your concentration growing stronger. Focus. Write down things you must remember. That's another way to cope with ADHD and get you through the day. I told Diggory you were born with ADHD. It's true. But that's not all that you were born with. There's much more to you. You can sneeze and start a campfire. You're the only one I know. And you can always make me laugh when I am feeling low. You have imagination. You're my favorite friend to play
Okay, can I have some lentils, please?
with.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
I won't change you.
Can I have some rice?
You're
Rice?
shining
Yes,
star.
some white rice.
ADHD is what you have. It isn't what you are. The end.
Black beans. Green grapes.
No, that's split
Your
pea.
dragon to
Okay.
focus.
Split pea.
Here's one.
Thank you so much.
Hey, where's my money?
Any black beans? Do you have any black beans?
Black beans. Okay.
Where are the black beans? Oh, thank you.
But a real
Black beans. What about lentils? Do you have any lentils?
Exactly what I've got. He isn't mean or dangerous. In fact, he's very tame. I've trained him to behave himself. And Didgeridoo's his name.
I took Jesus as my savior, you take him too. I took Jesus as my savior, you take him to way beyond the blue. Remember me, Lord, remember me, Lord, remember me, way beyond the blue. Glory, let our shine, your sun. I've got all the glory, let our shine.
Sweetie, what are you doing? You playing dress up?
Dress up.
You need help? She's playing dress up.
A pink such.
Yes, pink. Pink dress.
Pink dress.
Mm-hmm. Watch the edge. You you super lady, you super girl, you super girl. Watch the edge of the bed, Reagan. Look at this one.
Then choose to do what's best. For instance, think of others first.
Play dress up in Nana pants.
That you get the best results.
When she does things like this,
To do what's kind.
that spells boredom.
And when you have to make a choice about what you will do, imagine
Take it off.
if everyone made
It's
that
too
same
big.
choice.
It's too big.
So be careful of the choices that you make each day.
It won't stay up.
When you choose
What? What's the matter?
then good things come
It's
your way.
It is too big.
Responsible.
Yeah, take it off. It's too big.
Honest.
We practically finished. I just have some maths to do. The ordinal positions. That's first, second, third. So I'm going to deal with that later. So I'm just going to let her break. I'm going to let her do whatever she wants to do. Miss Ray, she does things in her time, and hey, it's all about her. So it's from. Okay, so that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. I want to hear from you. Do you want to say bye to the people?
Bye, people. Bye.
So you had fun so far?
Say bye.
You had fun?
Bye. Bye.
Okay guys, thanks again for watching. God bless you. Enjoy the rest of your day or afternoon or evening. And peace out from the 242, honey.